One more trip to this restore. They got a date new in the box for $75, which isn't a bad deal, but I'm not going to pay it. I think most of this was here when I was here last week. Ooh, almost knocked something over. Baseball fan. That's kind of cool, but not me. Well, they got a couple of those little small 6-plate things. There's one there, one there. I didn't even know they had a clearance section. Yeah, I would clearance those out too. I would clearance them right into the dumpster. But let's go over in the antique section. I didn't have time to look there last time I was here. Can I sneak through over here? That would be nice. Because there's glass shades over here. Not really, not without moving stuff. Okay, we'll go around. By the way, there are ceiling fans installed in here. I should just tell them to keep the date and put it in, use it as one for their fans. I found like old fans back here a couple times, but not ceiling fans. Those sconces are cool. They look like reproductions though. Maybe they're not. Not gonna look close enough. Oh yeah. That's cool. That's nice. And a good deal for $20. Okay, well, I'm going to keep looking for light bulbs, which is why I came here. Thanks for watching.